Bullish Spell token cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market examiners accept Spell could reach $0 2025. Bearish Spell token market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Spell token presentation. Spell token is the local administration and marking badge of cross-blockchain loaning stage Abracadabra Cash. Essentially, the DeFi loaning project allows clients to set up security in return for its stablecoin, $MIM. When MIM is in your wallet, you can trade it for other stablecoins or digital currencies where MIM is acknowledged. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like OFF since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $Xsushi, and different bend curve tokens as guarantee. Abracadabra additionally offers yield-cultivating valuable open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier tokens to cultivate Spell token. The task was established by Daniel Sesta, who is additionally liable for Popsicle Money and Wonderland, both on the torrential slide chain. Close by him are 0x Merlin and Squirrel, fellow benefactors of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and all in all recognize themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. In spite of the idiosyncratic name, Abracadabra's prosperity represents itself with no issue. Last year, it created a normal of $2.2 million every week in expenses and around $5 billion in TVL. What's more, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. The focal point of this video is to give you an extensive value expectation of Spell token from 2022 to 2030. That's what to do. We will initially cover the parts of Abracadabra Cash and how every component meets up to offer some incentive to its clients. Then, at that point, we will likewise investigate the authentic cost activity as well as the job of Spell token in the biological system. Spell token coin outline. Spell token is the stage's local cash in view of the Ethereum blockchain, however a lot higher in amount than MIM. These coins are really tracked down less normally available for use. This is on the grounds that they are to a great extent utilized as a type of administration token on Abracadabra's own foundation. This basically implies they become a type of partner, and similarly likewise with typical stakeholding. The more capital they vow, the more noteworthy their say in proposed changes to that stage's configuration. Spell tokens additionally permit their holders a choice to procure automated revenue by marking the genuine tokens themselves also. Spell donors are given MIM in return for their contributed tokens, which can likewise be utilized themselves. Spell supporters additionally acquire intermittently from exchanging expenses made on Abracadabra's foundation when they stake Spell. As referenced in the tokenomics, these profit are circulated by means of S-Spell. On the off chance that you lease liquidity from suppliers in return for Spell payoffs sufficiently long, there will probably come a day when those suppliers find better rewards somewhere else. At the point when that day shows up, Abracadabra's absolute worth locked will diminish. To address this, Abracadabra Cash collaborated with Olympus DAO to assume command over its liquidity. Convention possessed liquidity, or Paul implies the profound liquidity it rents is under its super durable prudence. Paul permits conventions like Abracadabra to zero in on conveying better items without stressing over its liquidity leaking ceaselessly. Spell token current cost. Spell token is as of now worth $0. Spell has moved 3.17% as of now with an exchanging volume of $12,165,037. Spell token is as of now positioned 254 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $72,122,955 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Spell token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Spell token market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Spell token value expectation 2022. Spell token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Spell cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progression. Spell is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Spell token value forecast 2023. In 2023, Spell token Spell cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SPEL will before long outperform $0. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the SPEL's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SPEL will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. SPEL token value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. SPEL might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SPEL is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. SPEL token value forecast 2025. In the event that SPEL token effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the SPEL coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SPEL will be green in 2025. The SPEL is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. SPEL token value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the SPEL cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, SPEL has a most extreme value worth of $0. SPEL token value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that SPEL figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help SPEL needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. SPEL token value expectation 2028. While SPEL is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. SPEL token value expectation 2029. By 2029, SPEL token will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. SPEL token value forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme SPEL cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. What is the SPEL token cost today? Today, SPEL token is exchanging at $0, an all-out market capitalization of $72,122,955. Is SPEL token a wise speculation? SPEL token ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space.